How do you experience the world around you? Is it mundane and predictable? Could it be surprising and awe-inspiring? Join me today as we explore the great mystery of the living and breathing world on the Power of Spiritual Artistry. Imagine yourself walking in nature. Feel soil and soft grass beneath your feet. See tall trees with leaves changing colors for as far as the landscape extends out in front of you. Hear the crunch of leaves beneath your feet and the breeze rustling in the branches. The crow caws in the distance, and the squirrels watch you from their lookout points above you. The ants carry sustenance back to their colony, out of sight. The trees all around you communicate with one another, sending signals through their roots deep beneath the earth you walk on. There is an entire world happening in front of your very eyes, beneath your feet, above your head. You are a part of it too. You are not separate. You are neither above nor beneath it. You are existing within it, sharing the earth, the air, the space with everything on this planet. Your lungs inhale and exhale, just as the lungs of the deer and raccoons breathe alongside you. The air sustains each and every one of you. Your heart beats, circulating blood to all parts of your body, just as the tree's roots circulate nutrients and water to nourish itself. There is a connectedness, an energy. Can you feel it? You are a part of something that's greater than you, greater than your thoughts, greater than what your eyes can see or what your senses can detect. There are unseen forces guiding the planet and the stars, guiding the sun and the moon, guiding each and every one of us. In the words of Albert Einstein, the most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. It is the source of all true art and all science. He to whom this emotion is a stranger, who can no longer pause to wonder and stand wrapped in awe, is as good as dead. His eyes are closed. Can you feel the great mysteries in the world all around you? Everything that is alive is steeped in it. Stop for a moment and pause. Let it draw you in. We are all a part of this beautiful mystery called life. Enjoy it. Savor it. Let yourself walk through the world filled with awe at the magic of it all. If it is safe to do so, gently close your eyes. As you notice your breath, feel it fill the entirety of your body, traveling to each part, each system, each cell. Now begin to notice your breath extending beyond your body, into the earth below you, the air around you, the sky above you. Allow each sense to tune in and out of your surroundings, like a spotlight shining on your ability to see or to hear, to taste and to touch, to smell. Then let them all go. Finally, feel into that great unseen force that is always there guiding you. Have gratitude for the mystery of this time, of this life. And so it is. I'm Reverend Renee Rossi. Thank you for joining me today on the Power of Spiritual Artistry. Many blessings to you today and always.